rules of the house. So these are the rules of the house. The first thing that you must do, you must name the pair that you are trading, and whether are you going for longs or whether you're going for shorts. Then thirdly, on the description, you must give the reason why you are going for longs and shorts. So you must give a reason. So your first thing, for example, I would say, let me follow these rules as well. Let me follow these rules to show you how easy it is to follow these rules, to show you how easy it is to follow these rules. So these are the rules. Let's follow the rules. The rules is name the pair that you are currently trading. The pair that I'm currently trading is Euro USD. Second rule, are you going for longs or shorts? I'm currently going for longs. And then reason why you are going for longs or shorts. The reason is because let us analyze them. So I'd get to know the reason why I'm saying we're going for longs. Why are we going for longs? I don't want to hurt them, but they keep pushing me. We had a resistance, very beautiful resistance, very beautiful resistance, very beautiful resistance. We finally broke that resistance. So we now have a mini support. We're supporting. So we're above the resistance that we had previously, with a support here, having a resistance here. So resistance is now a support. So we're looking for what? For longs. That's the reason. So that's the reason I've given already the description. So 3.0 is on fire. Bro, I love what you did with the cause. Me too, but I trailed the stop loss on gold. Thank you, my brother. Dollar index is also looking, I don't know, what is it? Looking weak. Okay, fine. I shared the rules of the house. I said the rules of the house. You name the pair you are trading. Are you going for longs or shorts? And the reasons why you anticipated that particular movement. So I'll wait for the people to send me the first description of the day. But before that, let me just say this out loud. Today's video is sponsored by Volt Markets. Today's video is sponsored by Volt Markets. So for those of you who wants to trade with Volt Markets, giveaway group. So this is the group that you can join if you want to trade with us using Volt Markets. This is a group you can join. Today's video is sponsored by Volt Markets, and yeah, today's Zoom meeting is sponsored by Volt Markets. So if you want to trade using Volt, you can join this group here. Then from there, all the details that you need to know about Volt Markets, they are all there. So again, I have a nice announcement to make. If you're around the VAL, you're gonna be part of the FX Gold farewell tour. That is gonna be at the VAL. It's the final tour that I think we will ever gonna do in the VAL. So we're leaving the VAL. FX Gold is finally leaving the VAL. So we're doing a final tour as a giveaway to give back to the VAL since we've been here for the past 5 years now. So I hope the next CT we're going to move to will really treat us well. So this is the VAL VAL farewell tour that's gonna take place. The dates are not yet out and the venue is not yet out. So FS Gold is relocating from VAL. So we're doing the FS Gold farewell tour. So whoever's going to be there will be just having fun with us. There's going to be a lot of fun in trading and so forth. Going to be playing a lot of nice things there. So if you want to be there, you're not going to be disappointed. So that's basically it. So if you want to trade with us using Vault Markets, here is the link that you must follow. Want to trade with us using Vault Markets, this is the link that you must follow. You must click on that link, and then you're going to be having access to the account with Vault. So we're going to be trading together with us. And you're going to also get a chance to join the VVIP signals. That's basically it. So Vault Market sponsoring today's video. So ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any further time, let's move to another analysis. Let's look into NAS 100. So guys, NAS 100, as you can see, is NAS 100. NAS 100 wants to buy now. We've been literally selling for the whole year. 2022 has been seeing NAS 100 selling. We started selling heavily from the 3rd of January. Yo, I'm noticing something, yo. Let me see. Okay, perfect. So let's start analyzing NAS 100 for you guys. First thing first, we start by making sure that we draw our playground. So this is our playground. This is our playground. And this is our playground. And this is our playground. And this is our playground. So now that we've established our playground, it's the place that the current data is currently playing at. So as you can see, we've been playing around this zone. So this is what we can proudly say it's our playground. So now that we have established that we have a playground, it means that now we can literally see where we're currently at. So at the current moment in time, we are here. We're playing within 106. We're playing along 10,640 and let me see, and 12,440. So those are the place that's the exact place where we're currently playing with NAS 100. We're playing alongside 10,640 and 12,444 and 440 and 13,818. That's the current playground. That's where we're currently at. So it's very much important for us to always establish those things when we're trading any pair, especially NAS 100. So it's very much important for us to clean, simple charts as always king. You make beginners really think they've arrived. I make it easy, my brother. Making this cheese cannot be this easy. I'm spending it and making it back. Yes. So then from there, if I begin, I make it easy for you to understand this thing. First thing first that you do, you draw your zones. Understand with me. First thing that you do, you draw your zones. You must know your playground. You must know where you're playing. Secondly, that's where you start introducing your trend lines to now cater for the current trend that you're currently in. So right now, if I could ask you guys, where are we? Are we on a downtrending? Are we on a downtrend or an uptrend? Let me see if I'm teaching guys who are listening. Let me speak with One person. Please raise your hand. If you're on my live today, please raise your hand and you want to answer the question. Gift is always on my lives. Gift. Gift knows the answer. I want someone new that I've never seen before. Aphiwe Sithole. Ujobe. Jobu udlala kamnandi. Aphiwe Sithole. Accept from your side. Aphiwe Sithole, accept my call from your side. Aphiwe Sithole, I think Aphiwe is scared. Let me take another person. Who can I take? Let me check here. Who's on the live? Who's on the live? Okay, fine. Let me take Kanyisani. Accept on your side. Kanyisani Kanyile. Mr. KK. Accept on your side. Let me take Gift. Gift, accept on your side. Gift.
Hey, how are you? How are you?
I'm good. So the question that I asked, is it a downtrend or an uptrend?
We are on downtrends.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you see? Yeah. Are we on a downtrend or an uptrend?
We're currently on a downtrend.
Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. Do you have any question for me before I move?
No, it's fine. You can continue, sir.
Gift, do you have any questions for me?
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. We're currently on a downtrend. Let me give a round of applause to Gift and Mr. Kanyile. We are currently on a downtrend. To show you what a downtrend is, let's just say Forex. Forex downtrend. This is how a downtrend is being made. A change of direction is made by that as well. Okay, let's get it. 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 Everybody's happy. Everyone says I must continue. Yes, indeed, we're in a downtrend. If you have any questions for me, feel free to just raise your hand, then I'm gonna accept you. Feel free to do that. On Jaguar Wednesdays, where you're free to do whatever you want to do, except being disrespectful towards other participants. So this is us on a downtrend. I want to get a question. Thanks, Mr. JJ. I had a bad network, but I'm good now. Thanks, Itakazile, Mr. Mtetwa. Okay, big shout out to you. So I have another question. A downtrend is made by a series of what? That's a question. A downtrend is made by a series of what? I think if you guys participate well, you might get yourself a funded account with Vote Markets, since they are sponsoring today's Jaguar Wednesdays. Hlongwane just got himself a funded account. I'm giving Hlongwane a funded account of 500 rands. Please send me your CU number on the group. Please send me your CU number on the group. So a downtrend is made of a series of lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. So basically that's how a downtrend is made. That's how a downtrend is made. So as you can see, we are currently on a downtrend on NAS 100. However, I'm noticing, guys, respect my show. Don't come here with noise. Mute yourself if you see you're gonna make noise, because I'll kick you out. It's my show, it's my rules. So there we go. Respect other participants. If you know you are in the place that has a lot of noise, make sure you mute your mic so that we don't hear the noise around you. My house, my rules. If you make noise, I'll kick you out. Jokes, jokes. But yeah, there we go. So there we go. So right now I'm seeing a possible double bottom formation. So trends in trends that we teach at FS Code was introduced here. So let me just try to show you how we had our trends in trends as far as this is concerned. This is the trend that was within a trend. I'm looking at this change of direction here. Ka, 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 ka. Looking at this change of direction. Ka, 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 ka. How? What's happening now? Oh, this thing is here. Ish. I was surprised, dude. It didn't hang, no. Didn't hang. You know, clone. Hey, gentlemen, it's getting higher and higher. Remember that song from high school or primary? It's higher than higher. Let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. Analyzing never been this easy. I'm spending it and making it back. Making this cheese cannot be this easy. Spending and making it back. I guess it's balancing that. When I draw the same situation as here, cut, then we break. A, B, C, D, E. So let me try to get the alphabets. A, B, C, D. Why did they say that's my A? Let me just see. Mr. Jax, this is a bit off the topic. Please answer maybe before the session ends, if you can. I would like to ask, what advice would you give a trader who's starting to become profitable gradually? What would you have done differently when you started? Thank you so much. I will pin your question. When you started becoming profitable, pin your question. Testing previous lower highs, JJ, yes. So a break confirms buys, but we're currently under the resistance. Thank you so much, my king. I'm okay, fine. Thank you so much. So that is what I'm anticipating from NAS 100. So I always do this in order for me not to waste my time. I always compare NAS 100 with German 30 and US 30. That's what I always do in order for me not to waste much time. As you can see, German 30 is already gone and US 30 is already gone. The only pair that is left right now, I think the only pair that is left right now, it's US 100. So US 100 will also test above that resistance, and then we're going to be looking for a push towards the upside. So that's basically what I'm looking for from US 100, German 30, and US 30. So that's basically it. So after I analyzed any of these, I just always compare them and not waste much time on analyzing the others because it's basically almost the same thing. Basically always or almost the same thing. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let me read the other description that a student sent us. A student by the name of OG says, I'm trading USD CHF and he's looking for what? For shorts. Says the reason why is looking for shorts. It says the key supporting trend broken on the 4-hour time frame, 1 hour close before the key support area, and the dollar index is weak today, so looking to continue to go down. Since the base pair is USD, it will get affected negatively. This is good, guys. Apologies, I don't know. Apologies, I didn't know where to enter. Okay. Apologies, I didn't know enter would keep sending. I don't understand what you said there at the end, but this is very good. So let's just dive straight to USD CHF as it was suggested to us. USD CHF, USD CHF, USD Canadian Swiss franc, CHF. USD Swiss franc. Swiss, are you from Sweden? Are you using a Swiss franc? USD Swiss franc. I analyzed this thing last week, and there you have it. I told you it's a head and shoulders completed. Now we're looking for sales. I told you the stop loss must be there, and your entry point must be here. And currently we're in profit. I analyzed this last week. So right now, if you are selling USD Swiss franc, hold until Jesus comes back. In fact, let me give a signal to my signal group as we speak. Let me give the signal to my signal group as we speak. Let me give a signal quick in a hurry. Jaguar VVIP signals. Let me give a signal as we speak right now. Done. Sell USD CHF. Let us also give a signal to Discord. Let's give a signal to Discord. Discord. Let's give a signal quick in a hurry. Mentorship. Ladies and gentlemen. Here to give a signal on Discord. So did it send? So that's a good signal. So USD CHF. Everyone can sell. Let me give to different groups. 34. Cancel you. Cancel you. Can also give it here. Nanko. There we are. Discord, the signal has been sent. Thank you for the signal, my brother. We appreciate it. Thank you for the signal, my brother. Guys, this thing is selling heavy. This thing is selling heavy. This is what I like about live trading on this show, because we get to take the trades as soon as possible. Keep more signals coming. Thank you, OG, for the signal. I appreciate it. It just confirmed my analysis. The analysis that I had previously, it just got confirmed. Right now, we're going to be selling like we are cray. Can I have another description? Do not forget the rules of the house. Do not forget the rules of the house. Do not forget the rules of the house. The rules of the house are very much easy and straightforward. You offering the description, you name the name of the pair you are trading, whether you're going for shorts or longs, and the reasons why you are trading that particular pair. So let's move right along and check. USD JPY has been buying. So I don't know whether it will start selling. But USD JPY, there haven't been anything to look for besides the buys. Do you think now there might be the change of direction? What do you guys think? USD JPY, let's pair it with gold. Let's pair it with gold. It's always, there are always inverse. Guys, sell USD JPY. You heard it straight from the horse's mouth. The almighty Jaguar says we can sell USD JPY because gold is currently now buying. So gold has been selling. That's the reason why USD JPY was also an old. So currently gold has started to buy. So I'm looking for really nice sells on USD JPY. Looking for really nice sells from USD JPY. Because it has been an A-hole. There's been an A-hole. More blessings to you, bro. OG JJ, I've been looking at Euro USD. It seems it's gonna buy heavily due to the fact that it broke my trend line. Broke your trend line where, my bro? Where is your trend line? Give me coordinates that will make me understand what you're talking about. In the market, there are coordinates. I can tell you literally. Let's try to analyze gold for you guys. Let's analyze gold for you. Gold is a gone boy. If it's a girl, if it's a boy, if gold is a boy, it's a gone boy. If gold is a girl, it's a gone girl. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, sell USD JPY and buy XAU USD. We're trading live with you guys. Not many mentors get to do this. Not many mentors get to do this, but here at FS Golds, we do this. We trade live with you, give you live trading signals. Live trading signals. We live with you, trading live with you. We don't mind doing that because we know what you're doing. We know what we're doing. We're not the chance takers. We're not. So we're trading live with you, going live with you. So let's see another description that we got. We have Euro USD. He says is looking for buys since it broke his trend line. I met Euro USD longs. It just broke my daily resisting trend line. Thank you so much. Let's see. Since there is so much interest on Euro USD, let's look into it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, guys, for me, Euro USD is exhausted. I've been having this for a longest time, guys. I just analyzed it. So I've been having this for a longest time. Euro USD and Euro ZAR. I've been having this thing for a longest time, bro. Euro ZAR. I've been having this thing for a longest time, bro. And USD ZAR. I've been having these things for a longest time, bro. I've been having this thing for a long time. I've been having these things for a longest time, bro. But as you guys can see, the correlation between USD ZAR and Euro ZAR. Look at the correlation between these two pairs. Now I trade correlation like I'm crazy. There are certain pairs that no longer analyze when I've analyzed the other. There are certain pairs that I know when this one has bought and the other one haven't bought, or yeah, I'm just gonna enter the other one that haven't moved, and I know it's gonna move to the direction of the other. It's called experience, guys. It's called experience, guys. It's called experience. You do not buy the experience at any shop. You do not buy it. There's no shop that sells experience. Like there's no shop. You can never get into a shop and find experience being sold. It doesn't, my bro. It's called experience, my bros. It's not sold anywhere. It's not sold anywhere. The only thing I can do is to teach you, but you just have to go through it yourself. For me, this is exhausted. Whoever was trading this, it's fine. But for me, this is exhausted. At least it would have been a great trade if you would have taken it here. Let me show you the box. Don't forget, today's video is sponsored by Vault Markets. Today's mentorship Zoom meeting, sponsored by Vault Markets. Yes, sir. Sponsored by Vault Markets. Vault Markets. Trends and trends, ladies and gentlemen. Something called, hey guys. Hey, I remember when I was trading this thing, when I was still a beginner trader, I used to trade this thing. I used to call it what? I used to call it the point of confluence. Like I was trying to show you guys that this thing is gone. If you were looking for buys or if you're looking for entering, you should have entered here. There is a. I used to trade this thing when I was a beginner trader. I used to trade what we call points of confluence. I can do a whole video teaching about this, points of confluence. I used to call this thing points of confluence. We started trading long time ago. I used to trade only these things 2019. Points of confluence. I used to trade these things 2019 only. What we call the points of confluence. Points, you see, points of confluence. Points of confluence. I used to call this thing points of confluence. But this is a point of confluence. Not going to explain to you what do I call a point of confluence. That was my strategy 2019. Yeah, I used to call it points of confluence. But now, if you're saying you're looking for buys on Euro USD, shame. Looking for buys on Euro USD, shame. It's a very good buying opportunity, but I can never buy now. It's a trade I would have taken here at my point of confluence. So it's not a trade I can take now because it can literally spike up there. Let me show you. Can literally buy until there and then spike up and show you flames. And show you flames. When I see flames and stars dangling in your face, you can do that. You can spike up there, and then you're gonna see this. Then from there, the flames will already start. When I see them flames, you can just spike up, and then you see this. Then you're like, Forex is a scam. Can't do it. We are busy buying at resistance, selling at support. Then you start telling us that Forex is a scam. God, I know. Forex is a scam. You win. Reka gari support, gari resistance, sell gari support. You win. You're going against the market trend. Unagana ori. Utloba Jason Noah tomorrow. It's hard to become Noah. Hey, niggas are still trying to get to that level till today. It's difficult. You don't wake up in the morning, you're becoming Noah. Nah. It doesn't need chance takers. Ladies and gentlemen, we left with 10 minutes on the session. Thank you so much, Mr. Mteto. Thank you so much. I'm learning something njalo every week by your session that you are giving us. Thank you so much. Siyabonga Mteto. I love you. Okay, I love you too, my bro. I'm also Siyabonga Mteto. Euro USD is going for short. Euro Audi is going for short. Obviously, every Euro pairs, they're all selling, guys. Euro pairs, don't let anyone lie to you. Whoever who's buying, that's a lie. Euro, everything that is Euro, it's a sell. USD CHF is already 500 ZAR in profits. Thank you so much. The signal that I just gave, it already gave people money. Mr. Checks, don't forget the advice. Okay, so let me read what he said because we left it 10 minutes. Let me read what he said. He said, Mr. Checks, this is a bit off the topic. It's not off the topic though. Please answer maybe before the session ends if you can. I'd like to ask, what advice would you give a trader who is starting to become profitable gradually? What would you have done differently when you started becoming profitable? So, you know, this thing of Forex is it's highly crazy. When I was starting to become profitable, that's where I used to overtrade. I used to overtrade because I tasted how wealth looks like, not how wealth wasn't wealthy. How money looks like. Because from my story, it's a little bit different. From my story, I used to get 1,200 rands a month. That was money that I was getting from NSFAS every month until I took a gamble this other month not to buy groceries that month. However, eat as less food as I can. I can even show you my pictures. I used to eat as less food as I can so that I can save the groceries I bought for 2 months, and then the other month when I get that 1,000, I put it on FOREX. So fine, that was a bad decision because I used to blow all my 1,000 and still be hungry the whole month and not be able to even buy my girlfriend pizza, simple thing, 100 rands pizza at the time. So I don't know. Pizza used to start from 100 rands. The one that has one layer. We used to eat that at Rez. Yeah. Now it looks like it's a toilet paper now. It's too weak now. No offense, but yeah. So what happened is when I started becoming profitable, I used to overtrade so much because I knew how the struggles that I had came from used to be like. There's a video of me where I said I'm never going to work for anyone because I had just made 2,000 rand in 2 minutes. So that was crazy. I was in bed. I entered mistakenly on NAS 100. I wanted to do 0.02, but I did 0.20. That's where I made 2,000 rand in 2 minutes. From there, that's why I was like, nah, I'm used to getting 1.2 a month, but now my account was sitting on 6,000 something that month. So I'd already made 6,000 something in a week. For me, that was a game changer. So the biggest problem is that I would overtrade and end up blowing my money. So never be a chat zombie when you're starting to be profitable. Trust and believe in your analysis. When you've traded for 2 hours in a day, that's more than enough. In the morning, you just need to wake up, enter trades, and then continue with the rest of your day. That's why I said even the CEO of Amazon can trade Forex, because basically you just need only 10 minutes of analyzing, of which I don't even analyze for 10 minutes no more. I analyze for less than that now because I have experience now. I can analyze anything in less than a minute. I can analyze anything in less than a minute and understand my direction and either wait for an entry or take that entry. That's basically it. So the biggest problem when we're starting to becoming profitable is the issue of becoming a chat zombie, of wanting to make more money, of always crying because you would blow the money that you have. And again, the issue when you're starting to become profitable, you think you are God. You get to be having so much pride. You get to think you are better than everyone in the whole world. You get to think you are a better trader than even your mentors. You are better than your mentors. Your mentors, when they send signals, you feel like, I know better. So that's a biggest problem about starting to become and then you waste a lot of money that you don't even have because you're starting to become profitable. Not that you are profitable full time, you are starting to become profitable. So you end up wasting the money that you don't have, impressing friends. Don't impress bad friends, guys. Don't impress anyone. You are here for yourself. Every man by himself. You're gonna go to heaven alone. You're not gonna go to heaven with me. So don't come here to impress me. I'm not impressed by anyone. I just do everything to impress myself and my bank balance. If I can impress my bank balance, I'm happy. I mean, my bank account balance, it can improve. It can improve gradually every time. That's the only thing that impresses me. Other than that, everything is just bullshit. So there you have it. I think I've answered your question thoroughly. Recording it on. So whenever, yeah, recording is on. Yes. 0.2. Thank you. Yes, you're trading for yourself and to increase your bank balance, not trading to impress anyone. So you're starting to become profitable. Don't be sending us screenshots every day. We don't care, literally. We don't care. You can send screenshots on the right platforms where you should send them, not to us. Like, literally, we don't care. We're just happy for you that you are making it. We're just happy for you that you are making it. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, it's not Omari Jaguar, the Omari JJ, that nigga from the village is the only code that is a Jaguar. Umalume FOREX. Can I get some fire emojis? 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 Again, this video will be available at Vote Markets YouTube, as well as FS Gold Discord. So this video will be made available for you guys. This video will be made available for you guys. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.